Replace the fat with applesauce in this low-fat banana bread and keep the moist, rich banana spice flavor. Peel 2 large or 3 medium bananas over a large mixing bowl. Mash with the back of a fork. Stir in 1 cup of sugar, applesauce, sour cream, and an egg. Pour 2 cups of flour in a small mixing bowl. Sprinkle in cinnamon, grate nutmeg, add baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Stir. Add your dry mixed ingredients to your mixed wet ingredients. Fold in your dry ingredients until the dry ingredients are no longer noticeable without overmixing. Carefully scoop your banana bread batter into a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes. When your banana bread has baked for 45 minutes, insert a knife in the center. If your knife comes out coated in batter, bake 15 more minutes and check again. Clean knife, and this banana bread is ready to cool off on a wire rack. Once your banana bread has cooled off slightly, loosen the bread from the pan with a spatula and slide your bread onto a cutting surface. This banana bread holds together without crumbling and can be cut while it is still warm. If you wait until your banana bread has cooled, it will remain moist, full of banana spice flavor, and delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.